Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make an infographic with Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started using Gemini, but the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your Google account because you need to go ahead and log in to be able to use the application. So once you've done that, you're going to be greeted by this home page, and now we can get started making infographics. So making an infographic with Gemini is fast and easy guys. You want to simply type a prompt in the Google Gemini requesting an infographic, open up the Gemini canvas workspace and click create. So basically you're going to go ahead and say to create an infographic, create an infographic, and alongside this you can go ahead and type out what you wanted to go ahead and create. So give it more detail, go ahead and tell it what kind of infographic you want to go ahead and be and what you want to do, go ahead and have visual tips in it and so on. You can go ahead and describe everything in great detail. After that you can generate by clicking this arrow right here. That's going to send a request to Gemini. After a couple of minutes it's going to upload it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.